Hey everyone, I'm John from Garden Savvy. Welcome to a Hortisketch mini tutorial. In this video, we're covering how to disable the planting guide. By disabling the planting guide, you can plant as close as you would like and also modify the growing and row distances between your plants. Hortisketch has built-in planting recommendations for plant growing and row distances. These numbers can be found in the menu on the right when you select a plant. Also, if you plant too close, a red warning box will create collision and prevent you from planting too near to another plant. It will also move your plant back to its original location. If you wish to change this function for more freedom, or if you want to plant a square-foot garden, access the settings, then disable the planting guide. A warning will appear asking you to confirm your selection because once you disable the planting guide, you can no longer re-enable it in your current plan. You will need to create a new plan to have it re-enabled. Once disabled, you can freely overlap any plants. This can be helpful when interplanting. Also, on the right, in the menu, the grow and row spacing fields are now editable. Type in the distances in inches or centimeters if your plan is in the metric system to see your icons change their distances instantly. Changing these distances is helpful if you have a lot of experience in gardening, are planning a square-foot garden, or simply want the creative freedom to plan your garden the way you want. That's it for this video. If you still need help, check out our tutorial video library for more tutorial videos, or email us at info@gardensavvy.com.